Hey guys, it's Audrey from Mom Generations here. I'm doing a video today on beauty products. So you guys know that I have 5 kids, which means it just means I live an active, very full, very on-the-go lifestyle. But even though I have 5 kids, I am one of those people, women, that love to feel beautiful. I love to go out with a fresh face on. And a face where if I bump into people, I'm not going to be embarrassed. You can hear my kids in the background. So it doesn't matter if I'm home doing my thing on the computer, on the camera, or if I'm going to the bagel shop or the grocery store or out for a meeting. I do like to have really great makeup that's going to do its job, give me coverage, and truly just make me feel beautiful. Now, what I've always loved about COVERGIRL, number one, is the price point and the quality that you get from the makeup. So what I'm going to do, just show you guys how truly busy and crazy my lifestyle is. I'm going to shut my office doors. Gonna give us a little bit of extra quiet. But COVERGIRL just launched a brand new foundation, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I literally just got it delivered to my house today. I have about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 shades that they sent me. Dun, dun, dun. This is the COVERGIRL TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. It is their most inclusive foundation ever. And that means that essentially they have 40 shades that match over 99% of skin tones. And they truly created this perfect formula. Let me pop this one in here. And it was inspired by entirely the specific skin needs of their consumers. So we said what we were looking for and they delivered, which is amazing. Now, for somebody like me, I'm somebody that loves to have a foundation that doesn't feel too heavy. I don't want to go out and have people like see that I have foundation on. I want it to be just a beautiful light coverage on my face, very natural looking. I love oil-free. So as soon as I heard about just the different features that were coming with the TruBlend, the matte made formula, I said, you know what, I gotta try this. It definitely seems perfect for me. Now they sent me a bunch of different shades. So I have looked at them all. I've tried a couple already just so I can hit the correct shade for you guys. But L50, which is the fair beige, here, this one seems to be calling the Audrey name. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on camera with you guys. And another thing that I love too, for moms out there, you guys know what I mean. My makeup in my bathroom is all over my counter. What I love is that COVERGIRL actually puts, you can lock this into place. So it has almost like, you know, like you have your cleaning spray bottles where they go on, off. You can actually turn this, you can open and close it. And I just appreciate that. It's that extra little thing that just goes a long way. So I'm gonna pop some on my hands right now. So you're getting a flexible wear and a comfortable feel with this. It's very lightweight. It's not too heavy. Got it right on my fingers. Now, usually I'll use a sponge or a brush, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just pop it right on so you guys can truly see. This is like a flexi hold technology, and it creates a strong yet flexible film that's comfortable right on your skin. I'm gonna just blend it all in. And the cool thing is that it responds to facial movements. And it stays right on your skin. I mean, I'm definitely somebody that needs a good amount. I need a good amount of coverage. I'm 40. Hi, Lou.
Hi.
Hi, honey. You want to come in and look at Mama? So it's also transfer proof. And what does that mean? It has a flexible film that helps the formula stay in place all day. Yes, you can open that. Okay, look at that. Now, usually I take my time. I'm blending quick because this is my life, and this is true. This is true life. Now, what I'll do with this is I will then add some bronzer over the top, a little bit of mascara, and I'm good. So there we go. So I like to get it up in my hairline. There's also light scattering technology too, and it blurs the pores and minimizes any sort of imperfections right on my face, which are usually my dark spots. As I'm looking, I have a mirror to the side that I'm trying to look at too and blend as I go. And there's oil absorbing powders, which again, I love, and it can hold 2 times their weight in oils. And that's a big deal for somebody like me. Okay, it's as blended as it's gonna be with my fingers. It is a really great shade. I'm gonna walk over to the bathroom because I have better light. I'm in my office right now. And this is always my rule of thumb. If I can look good in this light, this bad light in my office, then I know when I'm in really good light, it's gonna look really good. So let's do a little field trip, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna walk. Whoa, I don't want to trip. So we're walking into the bathroom. Ah, look at that light. Perfect, perfect. This is a great color. And like I said to you, ah! You scared me. What do you think of the color? Good coverage?
Yeah, it's good.
See? So now I'll add a little bronzer, more mascara, little lip gloss, and I'm good to go. Am I good to go?
Yep.
I'm good to go. All right, CoverGirl, you did it again.